Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Yeah, don't tie yourself.
Hey, remove yourself from that place. You don't do.
See, if you abuse me, I will.
Do nothing, John.
Come and try me now. Come and try me.
Come
and try me.
Come here.
You self, use your mouth to cut big trees. Fully said. I know something. Better. You next time abuse me again, I'll do to you. No, get down, abuse me. We see.
Oh. I fail to understand how painting or cleaning the house can make Papa change his mind about marrying a brand new chassis wife in this house.
True. I wonder. Me, I don't sit by yourself.
You never start. But here still they wait for you.
He hit herself because of the small about she give us. We have to suffer until
the whole neighbor come out her belly and finish. Hitler Co Limited.
No, HitlerPLC.com.
All these things you are saying, I will tell you.
Shut up, my friend, and I'll give you a big knuckle sandwich if you do.
Knuckle?
Nonsense, Tata. Hey, what's going on here?
What's that? What's that smell?
Oh God!
Hey, what peace?
I thought they told her not to cook.
One pot from that kitchen and Papa will pick race.
No more work again, no. No more work.
God. Oh, kitchen practical just want everything.
Hola. Who is it?
Mommy, please.
Welcome, man.
Welcome.
Welcome, ma.
Very good children. That's good. Where are the others?
Upstairs.
Ola, go and call them, Wait. Oh my God. What is happening here? Mommy, she has found her time. Ireti, getting practical. No. Ireti! What is the matter with you,
Senior, why are you shouting?
Didn't I tell you not to cook today? For that, you are going on compulsory kitchen leave with immediate effect.
But I was helping, Chief likes my sauteed avocado and cheese.
Oh yes! That is why he chops pepper every time you cook.
That's a lie.
You always find an excuse to dodge eating your cookery book food.
2 spoons of paint for color. 1 cup of water for moisture. Stir and simmer.
And time. Don't forget our time.
Who asked you?
Please, it's okay. Look, I've got all the ingredients I need to cook the kind of food Chief likes. Please, don't spoil everything by destroying our noses with your catering practical. Biko, go upstairs and mind the chamber. while I take care of here.
Okay, but let me finish cooking and I'll...
No, don't worry. I will off the stove for you, eh? Okay, serious, go, Pico. Pico, the one you cooked can even abort pregnancy. I need help. I need help in the kitchen. Jumoke, where is the bread?
You need help? You need help where? Anything.
Oh, Chief Fuji and his children. Ooh, Mujekwe.
What do you want
What
to
is
say?
this, Mama Moji?
I want you to pọ̀jù.
Kini?
Akílódé.
What?
Kí wọ́n rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Don't say that. I know. I know.
Yes.
I know you will not be jealous. Because you are old in this house, that is why.
Yes. I agree. I am old. I am Chief first wife.
Mama Moji, I am here to stay. But I'm sorry for you. Chief is not going to marry another wife into this house as long as I live.
Wait, tell me.
Who
tell you that paint and food will stop you from marrying if you choose to marriage?
A peaceful, tidy, and a neat house plus good food keeps man happy. You hear?
I hear you. So that will stop you from marrying, eh?
Mommy, then talk say the way to a man's heart is through his stone.
Oh,
yeah.
Where?
But not through your mede, you hear? And listen, both of you. Next time you want to do your wasabi work, go and hire labor. Don't use my children, oh. Chetiba, don't use my children. Sure.
I know that left to you alone, that Chief would have married all sorts of women into this house.
Oh yes.
Yes. That is a veiled insult. A very heavy statement.
Yes, so. Yes, so, senior. What do you mean by that statement? What do you mean by that heavy and well-loaded statement?
Pregnant indeed.
Come on, shut up.
Oh yes. So, Ireti is all kind of stranger woman.
Yes, so peace. Yes, see.
Hey,
yes,
Same to
I don't know what you are getting at, but I never said such a thing. No.
Because I allow Chief to marry Ireti. So, she's all kind of stranger woman, not so?
And because Mommy allowed Chief to marry you, very strange women, yellow strange woman.
Shike, she never had mouth in the matter.
Amy!
Yes?
Peace. Your head needs to be correct.
You
know? Because is it not me that follow to go and be pursued by your father and your brother Erasmus? Erasmus.
Don't abuse me. Don't abuse me, you hear? Is it because I'm keeping quiet for you in this house, eh?
Okay, no me.
You keep quiet.
Hey, shut up. Because if you don't keep quiet now, it will begin to happen.
Fear has gripped me. Wow, I'm shaking.
Let me tell you, if you don't know, I am the first wife in this house. Yes!
Hey.
Chief told me, he said you are the father's wife. So gini nebu gishi. Mama Moji gini nebu godi gishi.
Strange. I am the first wife, sir. Yes. Chief told me that you are his brother's wife. He was managing since he died before he could manage you for himself.
Oh! Chief.
Mommy, Shebi, you are the wife of the father. Not to so, man. Are you not?
Both of you is foolish. No common sense.
Mommy, Otio.
Don't abuse us. Don't abuse us.
Say una come marry.
Marry. You can't stop us from marrying. It's not your fault. Yes. I won't allow it in this house. What is it? Mama,
ìranù nọ́nsẹ́ǹsì ò tún lè lanu kíyàn òrèbè nọ́nsẹ́ǹsì artificial yellow pọ̀pọ̀ artificial inku cream original Kumbi. What is all the commotion about? That the people can hear your voice from miles away.
Chief want to marry.
So?
And it is paying her.
Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí bá a ti fẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí o. Èmi la ò ní ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀pọ̀pọ̀. Òrèbè orí bó ti ṣe rí kò kú lè kíyàn artificial yellow pọ̀pọ̀.
Àǹtí mi. Mami, so you are happy that Chief wants to marry again, another wife?
Why not if not? What we want is children, plenty children to fool everywhere. Well, me, I like it so. Èmi la ò ní.
Yes. Plenty children. Thank God. More blessing.
The one with them born, they never feed them.
Just shut up.
Hunger they wire them.
My children are not hungry. Are you hungry? You see, they are not hungry. Where is Taju?
He travel.
I will wait for him. I have something important that I must discuss with him. New wife. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Bá a ti fẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí. Èmi la gbèrò. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Bá a ti. Rejoice everybody, dance. Dance everybody. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí bá a ti fẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí ìrètí dáǹsì. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí bá a ti fẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí bá a ti fẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí bá a ti fẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí. Èmi la ò ní. Ó ṣe ìyàwó jíjẹ sí dànù. Níyọ̀ sí bá a ti fẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí. Èmi la ò ní. Dance now. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Èmi la ò ní. Àwọn káàrí ọkọ mi. Rejoice everybody. Níyọ̀ sí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Bá a ti fẹ́. Everybody be there. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Bá a ti fẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí.
Papa wants to marry another wife in this house. In this house. That's why we're dancing. Yes.
What's the matter? What's the matter? Orí ti ẹ gbẹ.
Leave him to talk.
Everybody dance. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Bá a ti fẹ́. Come on, let's go. Oya, èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Bá a ti fẹ́ kí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Rejoice everybody, go on back. Go on, just sit down. Everybody stop. Ìwọ náà jò. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Everybody, èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Bá a ti fẹ́ kí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Rejoice, èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Bá a ti fẹ́ kí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí. èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. èmi la yọ̀ sí. ìyàwó sí. èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. lórí o èmi la ò ní. akáyọ̀ yọ̀ mọ́ jà. èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. bá a ti fẹ́ kórí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí ó ṣe àyà mi. èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Oh, bàbá mi káàbọ̀. Lẹ̀ ṣe dáadáa lè dúpẹ́. Welcome. Where is our ìyàwó?
Ìyàwó kẹ̀.
Our new wife. Where is our ìyàwó?
Oh, Bisi. Sister, wait oh. Do not rejoice until you see her.
Why?
No home training. In fact, I'm thinking of sending her to you for more training.
Bring her now. I will teach her well.
I trust.
When is she coming?
When Musa comes to visit, she will come.
Musa? Musa, your son? What has it got to do with your new wife?
Amike. Sister, no. I have no intention of marrying another wife, both now and in the future.
Why not, if not?
Sister, the 3 that I have is enough.
It is not enough, Joe.
Sister, wetin remain? Wetin I not get? I have a youngest. Or if you like, older chassis, even oldest changa papa. Sister, I want to avoid trouble. A new wife is trouble.
Trouble? Why, Taju?
Sister, well, it's not that I've not been tempted. But I am seriously resisting temptation.
Taju, why now,
That because of trouble.
Trouble?
Yes.
Because of her, you will not marry again. Tajudeen Adebowale Fuji.
Yes, sister.
Come. Did you marry trouble or trouble marry you?
But sister, who is trouble?
You don't know. Artificial yellow poponko.
No, sister. Sister, no. She is now my succulent yellow pawpaw.
Yes.
Sister.
Yeah.
Sister.
Now I know why now. Taju. That is why she abused me.
Sister, where?
She abused me. And Yamoji, is that true, Ireti, am I lying? Ireti, it's true. She abused me. Abused our mother. Abused our mother.
In this house?
And our mother.
In this house, sister?
If not that you come back, she almost beats me.
In this house? In this house? Peace! Artificial yellow pawpaw. I will show you today. You can abuse. You have the courage to abuse my own sister. Please, artificial yellow pawpaw. Don't say.
Chief Ogini.
You want Ogini what? My begging for you had the audacity to go and beat my sister. And this, you are
if I touch that your sister, it will take the help of a panel beater to knock her back to shame.
Today you will leave this house. You beat my sister. You beat my sister. You are dead today. I will kill you. Today we go dead. Hey, you are dead. You
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number one is companion, the number two, oh conclusion. Number three is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Creating practical solutions, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion, yeah. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, oh confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solutions, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.